Hello and welcome back to my channel Gadget Tech Madness. So friends, as you are looking in my hand, there is a device, very beautiful device, pretty, looks is awesome. The color of this device is attractive. So guys, today I have decided to talk about this device. The popular name of this device is Decibel BT01 and manufacturer of this device is Eyeball, a very popular company I think for many accessories. So as you can see, here is written Eyeball and it is foldable. It was actually in this mode in the box, in this box you can see. I have just unboxed this and the box was looks like this. Just I have unboxed. So guys, as I am looking that it is made of using the plastics, so I can't say it is much solid, but its look is good, its pad is very soft, but the inner part, I am talking about this part, is solid, tight. Okay, no issue. It will be, it has written that left and right, so there will not be any issue to using this device. So now I am using once. Okay, it's little loose but good for listen the extra sounds like horn and anything if you are using this in market. Oh, it's good. So guys, there is nothing in left side, everything in right pad. So as you can see that it has SD card slot. After that there is another button with a name letter M for mode. After that the volume up and down buttons. After that the call receiving button and on off switch to this device. After that mic. After that you can see charging port, and after that there is aux mode, aux port actually 3.5 mm jack you can say. So guys, using this 3.5 mm jack there is extra cable, aux cable. So if you are connecting one part of it in your smartphone and another part here in 3.5 mm jack, then it will become normal headphone from wireless Bluetooth headphone. So guys, there is another cable is charging cable that will help you to charge this device using the charging port here. This is aux motor 3.5 mm jack, and this is mic. This is call receiving button on off, and this is mode. Why it is here, I am telling you. It has actually multifunction, SD card mode, Bluetooth mode, aux mode and FM mode, and also it has one extra features that makes it different from others. It is able to connect Alexa, so it is the main feature of this device, Alexa enabled device you can say it. It means it has one extra features which are not available in other, which is not available in other headphones. So guys, now I'm moving in another section, so I will try to connect it from a smartphone, and after that I will take its sound quality. So guys, please hold. So far where its battery power is concerned, it is supporting 6 hour continuously music if you are listening in full volume, and talk time it almost same 3 to 4 hours. So I can't say that it is good, but if you are fond of Alexa, then you can go with this device. It's look good. So guys, now I will connect it using my smartphone. So you can see now connecting. After that I will listen one song and I will try to listen you too using the camera speaker. So guys, it is still not on. Now it's on. So connecting, it has been connected. So I will surely listen one song from where this will happen. Okay, so YouTube, here is YouTube and here is the song. Yes, sound is good, really good. You listen one. From far, from near, from far, from near. My main purpose of listening to you that you can also judge its sound quality, as I am judging. Wow, good, good. So guys, its sound is pretty good. It has 10 meters range. You can connect your smartphone from 10 meter away. So I would like to say that in the price of 1000 or 1200, it is good device, good wireless headphone you can use it. So guys, Alexa is going to very popular in these days for music purpose. So if you want to use this device using your Alexa app, then you can go with this. After all, the device is good, its design is good, pad is good, everything is good, battery backup is good. So guys, hope this video is good and you will like this video, and of course you will share this device with your friends. Thank you guys, bye bye. Please subscribe and press the bell button.